Hi friends, welcome back, and on this discussion I'll be sharing with us how to know when the pods are actually ready for harvest. So on this one, I don't want us to waste so much time. Look at this. For me, when you can see this very particular pod, this very pod, for me, if I want to check if it is ready for harvest, I use two different things. One, I observe the hedge from here, this connection between the pod and the vine. I will observe it. If it is brown, this particular point will turn brown. This one is getting ready soon. So if you can look at it there, watch where I'm touching, you can realize that okay, it's kind of turning brown. Yes, it might be ready, and that is not enough reason, enough conclusion for us to cut it down, because yes, some will be ready inside and still it will have some that are not yet ready. So for me, what I will do again is just to check the edges. Look at this one, I have to check it. Look, this one is still soft. It indicates inside this pot there are still some that are not yet, the seed that are not yet ripe. You understand? And if you harvest it, those one will result into waste. Not that you will not get anyone that will be ready, but if you harvest this now, some of it will not be ready yet, and those seed will result into waste. So I will leave this pot and I will go and check another one. And look at it here, I found two again. So these two, let's check if they are ready. Let's check the one that is ready. So I told you the other time, you check the top. If it is getting like burnt brown, then you might say it's ready. But for here, let's see, let's observe. Yes, let's check the side. This one is kind of soft. Look at it, it's still soft. So there are still some not yet ready. You understand? And look at the edges, they are kind of sharp. If it is sharp like this, it indicates, and soft, it's not yet ready. There's some seed not done. Let's look at this one by the side. Look at it. Though it's smaller than this, it's smaller than the other one, but look at it, so thick. The edges are thick, blunt. And look at the pod, it's hard. This is hard, not soft in any form. It's hard, thick. So right now I will harvest this pod, and we can as well go and see what we find inside. So I'm gonna harvest this pod, and let's see. So I harvest this, don't mind me. Yeah, let's go and see this. So harvest this pot, and you can see what I'm telling you. Look at it, observe it. It's hard, the edges are blunt, indicating that this pot have a ready-made seed inside it. So let's go for it. Let's go for it. So when next time you get to your farm and you are confused, maybe you have waited like 3 months or 2 months plus, and you don't know if you should harvest, or you don't even know, follow the history of the of the pod growth. So if it happens like that, those are the things you can observe. You understand? I mean, you can bring to conclusion that your pod is ready for harvest. So thank you. So we're gonna open this. So we are going to open this and let's see what is inside. So let's see what we have here. You can see these are the seeds, and definitely this is ready. Look, it's hard, ready to be planted. You can see that. So you can see that. So when else you are on your farm and you are having a doubt if you should harvest your pod or not, just go straight and observe the edge. You understand? If it is blunt, press it. If it's not like kind of breaking and not soft, I mean, then you can remove it. They are ready. Look at this. Nice seed. Good one. It's ready. So let's check the edge. That's from the middle. We picked that. Look at it. It's from the hedge from here. See? And from other hedge, let's check. So look at it. From the other hedge too. It's ready, strong one. So this pod is ready. We can plant this. Thank you. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Follow us and comment. Share a comment. Say something in the comment section. Let us know how you are feeling about our videos. We are not too good, but we are getting better each day. You understand? Giving you this information. Comment on. I need you to comment. Let me know. Let me have you in the comment section. Say something. Say something. Say something. And if you have any question, put it in the comment section. If you have any idea to get us better doing things, put it in the comment section. Thank you, and meet you on the next one. Thank you. Ready.